Hello, hello. Let's pick a card today. A storm makes trees take deeper roots. All right. Which box has our quotes today? Let's pick this one. Everybody comes into a relationship with baggage. We can either trip over each other's stuff or unpack together. Negativity is contagious. Unhappiness and fear are contagious, but so is happiness, love, and optimism. Surround yourself with people who bring out the best in you and strive to be a reflection of what you want to receive. It's a new day. Try a new recipe, clean out the junk drawer, open the windows, call a loved one, go for a walk, pick some flowers. What will you do today? Free medicine, sunlight, nature, sleep, grounding, breathing, breathwork, community, hugs, laughter, meditation, and movement. I'm a survivor, not a victim. And the last one today. We don't erase our trauma. We reduce the impact it has on us. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.